Morning everyone, day number 2. Just about to get to the boat ramp. I'm just going to head out and get some ice first. Head straight back to that spot where we were getting the reds yesterday. And see if we can pull up a nice trout or even a legal red or something along those lines. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Keen?
Yeah.
I want to get a big red, that'd be nice. Yeah, I dare say that'd be there. I got that one and then I got one a bit bigger, so I dare say this mum's in there somewhere. We'll soon see. See it's on the water. Yeah, right. What? Oh, we're gonna bite. Go. I think I dropped it. I think I dropped it. A little tusky. Oi!
What's that? You just got shark.
Holy dooly.
Definitely not going to swim in here.
Not a chance. Oh, that's a shame.
Has any got the sounder? Yeah, that big thing there.
That's
what it would be. I reckon.
That's bullshit.
Got him?
Yeah. It's tiny. I think I just got. Oh no. Yep.
Dude.
Sharked again.
Better not be a lot of a cold trout. You see him swimming out of the boat?
No.
You know.
Legal.
Josh.
Isn't it? Be close.
30. Yeah, that's pretty tight.
Slippery fucking things. Oh, 1 centimetre short. Gave him a bit of paratrauma by the looks of it. Oh no, there he goes. So we're just doing a bit of sounding around, trying to find some new ground, something with a decent bit of structure and some bait hanging off it. The spot that we were at yesterday wasn't producing anything but small stuff, and we need some legal stuff to take home, so we're going to go try and find a new spot. It might take a while, but hopefully it'll be worth it. We found a pretty decent spot. A lot of small, well, legal stuff. Nothing spectacular, but we've got a new ground. I don't know if you guys can see that. A bit of stuff on the bottom. We've had a few bust offs, so there is definitely decent fish around here. Keep seeing what else we can get.
Just instant, eh? No, a stripey. How big do these fellas have to be?
They look like Moses's, eh?
That's so. They're getting bigger.
You on?
Yep. Oh, that's a bigger one.
Good one.
How big do they have to be?
25.
Not bad size, stripey. Are you running 50 still?
30. Oh no, 50 on this one. Oh, you bastard. Threw me straight into the reef.
Ooh.
Rusty.
For sure.
So both throwing a plastic around, trying something a bit different, try and pull up something a bit bigger. Unfortunately it didn't happen though. So we didn't have too much luck at that spot, only a couple of just legal fish, a couple of stripies and a tusky, but we decided to have a bit of a troll around and see if we could pull anything up. Come on, big dogs. No luck on the trolling front, but we did see some birds working, so we decided to throw some metal slugs on and go chase whatever was busting up.
You're saying there's a little trevally chasing a balloon. They shoot the birds now.
Yep.
Got him?
Yep.
Yeah.
Not a spotty though. I don't think.
No, you don't know.
Oh. Yeah, it is.
Can you got him or?
Yeah.
Spotty?
Yeah.
Lovely guy. Oh, watch out for that friggin' pole. You got wire on there.
So what Bo meant by that is, it's just trevally. It's one of the locals was saying that it was just tiny trevally busting up bait fish. I guess he was wrong. Did ya? Hey! That's a mackerel. Come on.
Yeah. I think so. I think so. Maybe. Hopefully I don't get busted off. I ain't got no wire. Yeah, that's. It might be. No, I don't think so either. No, that's it. Watch out, watch out. Yeah, I think it's a shark one, but. Keep casting, it's alright.
No, because I don't want to get taken off.
Oh, spotty, spotty, spotty! Yes, Brennan! Yes! Woo! Lucky I listened to you, it could be anything. Let's go, Chuck.
So we decided to put the drone up and show everyone kind of where we were getting those mackerel. It wasn't very deep, it was only about 5 metres of water. It was pretty cool actually. Alright everyone, we've decided to come back to camp for a bit. It's way too hot out there. We're absolutely cooking. Everything's overheating. Cryovac machine, we're trying to cryovac those spotties from before and it doesn't want to bar of it either. While we're out there as well, the electric motor battery decided to shit itself, and we're out of water.
And the drone.
And the drone shit itself. So everything's happening at once. We've got to go to BCF and get that battery swapped over and go get some more water, and yeah, we'll be playing around a bit for a while, but we'll check back in. We'll cook some of that spotty up and have fish wraps tonight, I reckon. Alrighty, I'll talk to you later. I'm just going to cryovac them up. So they're nice and fresh to take home. Looking good.
Just gonna chuck some salt and pepper on it. And some pepper.
I think what Bo meant was you're going to put some salt and pepper and a bit of extra pepper. Not salt and pepper. I might go a bit more. The special sauce on top. There it is, go there. Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, shit's a bit. How you going?
Got a bit much in there.
It's alright. Here, go sit here. You have first taste test. Pretty good?
Well.
Alright, I'll give it a taste test. Pretty good to me.
Mm-hmm. Alright, I reckon we smash these back and that'll be a night. We'll see you on the next one, eh?